small thing can change everything. Welcome to One Small Thing.
Welcome back to the One Small Thing podcast, where each week we talk about one small thing that can help you get through the day. Last week, I came to the realization that the mound of clothes that I absolutely hate folding, because I actually hate folding clothes with such a passion that it can get quite high. And I thought, hang on a minute, Caroline, we just have to apply one small thing. I set the timer for 12 minutes. I just said, hey, Siri, set timer for 12 minutes. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to just do what I can for 12 minutes. And then when it's done, it's done. And then I just walk away. And guess what happened? I got everything folded in 12 minutes. And then suddenly the stress that I'd had was gone. So the top tip for this week is with those little tasks that seem to overwhelm you, set a timer. Don't look at the task and think, oh my goodness, I am going to have to plow through this. Give yourself a start and a stop time. And when you get to that stop time, if you haven't finished the task, that's okay. Put it aside, do something you enjoy. And when you're ready, pick the task up again. But don't do what I do and just avoid it, because otherwise you just end up with a whole pile of clothes that sit there. The thing is, if it's a task that you really don't want to do or you're feeling overwhelmed, make that task just a little bit smaller, even if you break it down to 1 minute or 5-minute intervals. And that helps you get through it and feel good about it. Set yourself a time that allows you to succeed. So the one small thing for this week is set a timer, especially around the tasks that you don't love doing. I promise you, your brain will feel better. You will feel more in control. You will feel less anxious. And then suddenly that little sparkle of joy will start to sprinkle through everything that you do. We hope you enjoyed this episode. It's really important to us to bring you something fresh, new, and joyful. Our hope is to be able to sparkle a little bit of joy in your life so that you can walk away today and think, yep, I got it. I can do that. One small thing. Tune in next week for the next small thing. Have a wonderful day.
It's just a whisper, just a spark, but it's the one small thing that clears the dark. Yeah, one small thing can change everything. Welcome to One Small Thing. Welcome to One Small Thing.
That was another edition of One Small Thing with Dr. Caroline. If you enjoyed today's program, subscribe, give us a 5-star rating, and by subscribing, we'll be in your inbox every Friday with another handy tip.